Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can add a hyperlink to your lists on Microsoft Lists. So let us get started. So head over to your account on Microsoft Lists, navigate to this tab here, select the given list by left clicking into it. Then guys, for the given list you will need to create a new column by clicking into add column here to the right. And from that menu scroll down and choose hyperlink. Click into next. Then guys, you may give the new column a name. So for example, let me go with hyperlink in this case here. Describe it below. Make sure that hyperlink is selected here and then click into save. So what you want to do next is click into that cell of the given activity or item. And here guys, you will see these two fields. Enter a URL and display text. So here you may enter the URL of the site. So I will go with google.com for the sake of this tutorial. Copy it, return to that field, paste it here, and then the display text. Let me go with google.com in this case. Confirm by clicking into that checkmark button below, and that is going to insert the hyperlink for the given cell or item of the list. That's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.